Hello, and thank you so much for watching this presentation on vocabulary builders. Expanding your vocabulary is important because it allows you to write faster. Words in, words out. In order to get words out, you have to put words in. So building your vocabulary is just as important as knowing grammar because you have to know words. That's vocabulary. Putting words together in sentences is grammar. So both are important. So let's do a quick and fun vocabulary exercise just to get your mind going so that you can learn new words on your own. All right, let's get started. So we have two words here. Let's see if you can guess the correct definition. If you watch the videos about synonyms and antonyms, then knowing about synonyms and antonyms might help you in guessing the correct definition for these words. Okay, let's see what you know. The boss's agenda. Is agenda a book of laws, a blog, a list of items? Choose the best answer from that list. Okay, hopefully you chose C, a list of items. An agenda is a schedule or a list of items to be covered in a meeting or a workshop. Number 2, depleted energy. Does depleted mean exhausted, abundant, or excessive? Yes, A, exhausted, meaning you have used it all up. Exhausted does not mean tired in this sentence. It means used it all up to where there is none left. Number 3, noisy environment. Does environment mean a playground, surrounding area, or ambiance? Yes, B, surrounding area. Environment does mean surrounding area. It can mean the air we breathe, the water, the land in our earth, or also your neighborhood, the surrounding area of something. Number 4, eager puppies. Does eager mean hungry, lonely, or enthusiastic? Eager means impatient enthusiasm. It means you're so ready and so excited to get started or to go somewhere or to do something. Number 5, inferior quality. Does inferior mean equal rank, expensive, or less valuable? Yes, inferior means less valuable. It means lower rank or substandard quality. Number 6, oppressive rules. Does oppressive mean unjustly harsh, fake, or natural? Yes, it means A, unjustly harsh. Number 7, jovial friends. Does jovial mean mean and sad, fun and joyful, or antisocial? Yes, jovial means fun and joyful. If you see the jo in the word jovial, that's very similar to joyful. You may not be able to do that with all words, but through process of elimination, that might have helped you to guess the correct definition. If you are taking any standardized test and you are not familiar with a word, always look for clues in the sentence, or maybe that word reminds you of another word that you do know the definition of. So use those strategies in order to figure out what a word means, but you just want to learn more words and their definitions so that you'll know what these words mean. Number 8, important mandate. Does mandate mean a promise, a decision, or a command? Yes, mandate means command. It means a command or an order from a higher authority. Number 9, a slow process. Does process mean actions, interviews, or presentations? Yes, A, actions. A process is a series of actions or activities that end in a particular result. For example, if you are making a chocolate cake, you follow a recipe and you take particular actions until you have completed the chocolate cake and put it in the oven and taken it out of the oven. See, there is a process to making a chocolate cake. So that's what we mean by that. Number 10, tolerable conditions. Does tolerable mean horrible, unbearable, or satisfactory? Yes, tolerable means it's okay, it's not good, but it's not horrible. It's just okay, it'll do. It's all right. That's what tolerable means. So in this case, the better word would be satisfactory. In summary, words in, words out. You have got to expand your vocabulary in order to be successful in school or at work or your professional or personal goals. You have got to write. You've got to write well, which means you have got to know some words. Learn new words to get over writer's block. If you find yourself stuck and you don't know quite what to say, it's because you need the words. And the more words you know, the faster you'll be able to write, because words will just flow out of you when you need them. I myself, when I need to sit and write something and I am just looking at a blank page, I'll either start reading a book that I wanted to read, or I have a couple of books with vocabulary quizzes in them. So I'll just start doing vocabulary quizzes, because doing vocabulary quizzes sparks my creativity and it gets me in a frame of mind to write. And so it gets me out of being stuck, so that I am able to fill up that blank page when I motivate myself and inspire myself by doing vocabulary exercises. So I'm just not teaching this to you. This is something that I actually do, and that's how I know how important it is. Use a dictionary to find definitions. I have hard copies of dictionaries. So you might want to go to a bookstore and just purchase a dictionary. The popular one now is the Merriam-Webster's Collegiate Dictionary. I believe that's the title. You can always go online or use an online dictionary. Either way, use a dictionary to find words and definitions. Be careful to choose the best word and the best meaning for your sentence. Whatever you're trying to say, make it clear by choosing the best words. And this is where synonyms become important. And we talked about that in another video. So you might want to go ahead and take a look at that synonyms video and also the antonyms video. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this presentation has been helpful to you. Remember, we have resources. We have books and online classes to help you improve your writing and to help you figure out what your instructor wants you to do in your English class or for your research paper or for anything that you have to write. We've got student success grammar skills, essay writing skills, and your general writing skills. So head on over to the website, www.arhampton.com, click students to see how we can help you. If you need even more practice, we have a couple of great workbooks for you: Student Success Grammar Skills and Adult Learner Grammar Essentials. So whether you are a middle school or high school student, or if you are out of high school or need to take your GED, whatever, we've got you covered. Whatever level of student you are going to have to write something, and that is what we do. We help you to improve your writing. So head on over to the website, www.arhampton.com, click books, and also click online classes to see how we can help you improve your writing. Thank you so much and happy learning.